Let's see how to change language in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our text written in English. Now let's say that we want to translate this text into another language. So instead of manually writing out the text in another language, Microsoft has a built-in function that can automatically translate your text into another language. To do that, let's go over to the Review tab. Click on the Translate option, highlight your text, and click Translate selection. So that will automatically detect the language that your text is written in and allow you to translate it into another language of your choice. For example, we want to translate it into the Filipino language. Simply click the Insert button, and there you go. Your text is now translated. And that is how you translate text in Microsoft Word. See you soon.